Alright, welcome to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, so in today's class we are going to be talking about how to find the distance between 2 points on a straight line. Now if you look at this our diagram, you will see that we have a line, we have a straight line. So we have our y-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is our x-axis. I seen that. Now how do we find the distance between this A and B? That's what we want to find. Now you remember we have what we call the Pythagoras theorem. Now using the Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse squared is equals to what? Opposite squared plus what? Adjacent squared. Are you seeing that now? Now what is our hypotenuse? You can see that from this our A to this our B is our what? Our hypotenuse. So we can call this place will be called AB. Are you seeing that now? So that means we have AB squared equals to opposite. This can be our opposite, x2 minus x1. That is this AC. So that's our AC all squared. Are you seeing that? Is all squared. All right, AC squared, then plus what? Our adjacent square can be this place. Are you seeing that now? This place now. All right, so that will be what? Before I say y2 minus y1, let me call it BC squared. BC all squared. Are you seeing that now? All right, so what am I going to have next? What's our AB? AB does not have value, so that's still AB all squared equals to what's our AC? This is our AC, so that is what? X2 minus x1 all squared, then plus what? Our BC now, which is this place. Are you seeing that now? That's what? Y2 minus y1 all squared. Are you seeing that now? So what am I going to do? Make AB set of formula, use square root both sides. So that means we have the distance AB is equal to the square root of everything we have here. So that's square root of what? X2 minus x1 all squared plus what? Y2 minus y1 all squared. Are you seeing that now? So this is the formula we use when we want to find the distance between 2 points. I get what I'm saying now. So this is the formula we use when we want to find distance between 2 points. All right, so now let's say we have a question. Are you saying that now? Let's say we have a question like find the distance. So let's say we have a question, find the distance. Number one question, we want to find the distance between 2 points. Let's say A, which is given as our A is given as 3,1, and B, our B is given as what? Let's say our B is given as 1,2. So we want to find the distance between these two. What will now be the distance? You see here, you have to first know what's your x1. X1 is the first point coming here, which is 3, and the next one y1. This is your y1 here, your y1. So this is x1, y1. Are you seeing that now? So your y1 is what? 1, and then you now come to this B side, your x2. Your x2 will be what now? The first number here, which is what? 1, and then your y2 is what now? 2. Are you seeing that now? So you just have to apply it into the formula and you are good to go. So what will be your answer? Our answer will be the distance AB. First write your formula. Your formula is what? Square root of, are you seeing that? Square root of what? X2 minus x1 all squared plus what? Y2 minus y1 all squared. Are you seeing that now? So what will now be our answer? So that will now be what? AB equals to what? Square root of, what's your x2? X2 is what? 1. So that's 1 minus your x1 is what? 3. So 1 minus 3 all squared plus y2, your y2 is what? 2 minus y1, your y1 is what? 1, all squared. Then that will now give us AB equal to what? Square root of 1 minus 3 is minus 2, so that's minus 2 all squared, plus your y1, 2 minus 1 is minus 1 all squared. Are you seeing that now? Then that now give us square root of what? Minus 3 square is what? Minus 2 square will give us 4. Minus 1 square will give us what? 1. That means we have square root of what? 4 plus 1. And square root of 4 plus 1 will now give us square root of what? 5. That means our answer is what? Square root of what? 5 centimeter, or anything they give you. Do you understand now? So don't forget where we started from. That our AB, this is our x1, this is our y1, and this is our x2, this is our x2 here, and this is our y2 here. All right, so if you do that, you are going to get square root of what? Square root of 5, and that is what we have on this our page here. All right, so let's see one more example so that you can have the understanding of what this thing looks like. So let's say we have an example, x equals to, let's say our x is given as 3 and minus 3, and our y is given as minus 2 and what? 5. You want to find the distance between these two. So what will now be the distance? Now you have distance what? X, y. Are you seeing that? Your distance x, y will be equal to what? Square root of what? What's our formula? Our formula is what? X2 minus what? X1 all squared plus what? Y2 minus y1 all squared. All right, so that will now give us what? The distance xy. Your distance xy will now be equal to what? Square root of, from here now, what's your x2? This is your x2 here, so your x2 is what? So our x2 is what? Minus 2. You can see that, minus 2, then what? Minus, what's our x1? 3. All right, all squared, plus what's our y2? Our y2 is what? 5. Are you seeing that? So that's 5 minus our y1. Y1 is what? Minus 3. So you have to put it in bracket. Sorry, you have to put that in bracket, minus 3, then all squared. The reason why you have to put that in bracket is because if you don't put it in bracket, it will affect your answer. Are you getting that now? So this should now be equals to square root of minus 2 minus 3 will give us minus 5. So this is minus 5 all squared plus minus 5, 5 minus times minus plus. I see. So that's 5 plus 3. That will give us what? 8 all squared. And that will now give us square root of minus 5 square will give us what? 25. Then plus 8 square will give us what? 64. I seen that. And if you add that together, you are going to have square root of what? 25 plus 64. This will give us 9. Then this will give us 8. So that is what? 89. And if you punch your calculator, you will have the answer as what? 6 points. That will give us 9 points. That should give us 9, because square root of 81 is 9. So that should give us 9.43 units. Any unit they give you, it can be centimeter, it can be meter. So let me just say units. Are you seeing that now? All right, so don't forget, this is your x1, this is your y1, this is your x2, this is your what? Y2. I get what I'm saying now. So that is all we are going to do today. So before we go, let me give you assignments. All right, so let me give you assignment. So let's say I want you to find the distance between x, which is given as minus 2 comma minus 5, and y, which is given as 3 comma minus 6. So you find the distance, and then the second one A open bracket, A is equals to minus 3,4, and then B is given as minus 1,2. So find this as assignment and send your answer to your principal for God's Love members, and you can drop your answer in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. In the next class, I'll be talking about how to find the midpoint. So in our next class, we are going to be talking about how to find midpoint between two different space. All right, so don't forget where we start from today. We start from this diagram, and then we went on to finding the distance between AB, which gives us what? Our AB gives us 5 centimeter. If centimeter is the unit, or you can, any unit they give, it can be in meter, it can be in kilometer. I get what I'm saying. So it can be in anything. All right, and then we go to the next one, which is to find distance between X and Y, and we got that as what? As 9.83 units. That means any unit they give you will be the answer, and then I give you this assignment to do. So submit in the comment section, and for God's Love members, send to the principal. I will be there to mark your answers. Thank you very much for watching, and do have a great day.